Lister Thunder based on the superb Jaguar F Type and featuring a tuned version of the already potent Jaguar 5.0-liter Supercharged V8, which now produces a 666 bhp and top speed of 208 miles per hour. Bespoke body and interior enhancements along with suspension and exhaust upgrades complete the package. Just 99 Lister Thunders will be produced in total with prices starting from £139,950, meaning all owners will enter the exclusive Lister Drivers Club. Lister Thunder proven very popular. In an announcement, Lister said it had taken around £3.1 million worth of orders in the first 24 hours it had been on sale. The Thunder is based on the F Type, but its supercharged 5-liter V8 has been re-engineered to reach 666 horsepower. It will reach 62 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds, 100 miles per hour in 6.8 seconds and go all the way to 208 miles per hour. To compare a production F-Type SVR to the Thunder, the Jaguar badged car has 99 less horsepower and takes half a second longer to hit 62 miles per hour. On the exterior you'll find Lister-specific adjustable dampers, bespoke carbon fiber front bumper and extended rear splitter, a light-weight exhaust, 22-inch wheels, custom badging, and that signature green grille outline. Inside, the brand logo is embroidered into the headrests of the seats, which are trimmed in bridge of wear nappa leather that's available in 36 different colors.